Good morning, everyone. It is Monday morning, April 17th, 2023. Here's the Astro Excel forecast for the week on the 30-minute chart. We are in a long, flat sideways between the 0 and plus 10 line where we made this little up move uh, last night and we started to drift sideways to down. You can see where I have this rectangle as we start the 17th here. This is going to go through 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, before the line makes a significant move. It turns down Wednesday evening at around 2050, and then it's going to push mostly down until the close of the 20th. Then we're sideways on the 21st until about 8 a.m., where we push up Friday to just after 1 p.m., and then we start to drift back down. Key spikes on the blue line. Late tonight, about 23:30, we get a little double peak there. And then after midnight, about 44 minutes after, we hit a spike low in the morning of the 18th at 4 a.m. We've got a spike high 21:35 on the 18th. Significant low at 15:37 on the 19th. On the 20th, we've got the late afternoon spike high right around 1600 hours. And then we've got 3 on Friday, 8 in the morning, 12:30 in the afternoon, and then one late in the session just after 3:30. So there's your Astro Excel indication for the week. Not a lot of real Astro pressure. We're just slightly bullish between the 0 and the 10 line.